Okay, who's Cecilia? Say hi.
Hi.
Who's Selena?
Me.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so today we have since we have two special guests, we are going to do a surprise A.
15. Yeah.
Okay, we have 15 numbers and we have about 6 different colors. Okay, Selena, do you want to tell us the color of the eggs?
No.
Come on, tell us the color of the
I
eggs.
just say it.
What's that one?
Orange. Orange.
Uh-huh.
No, that one. Green.
Mm-hmm.
Yellow. Pink. That's purple. Purple.
Yeah.
Blue.
Yay! Okay.
All our colors we have.
Yeah, it is. And then Cecilia, do you want to count the numbers? Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
How many eggs is there?
15!
Okay. Alright. So there's 15 eggs and there's 3 of you guys. Only you girls. So we're gonna divide the eggs. Each person get 5 eggs. And we'll see what you guys have.
And
Oh, and just to let you guys know, one of these eggs has nothing in them. And let's see who's the loser. Okay, so we have special guests today. We will let Selena and Cecilia choose first. Choose 5 eggs. Okay, Julia, your turn.
oops. 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5. Oops. 5. Okay. This one's broken. Okay. Next 4. 5.
Okay, put your egg next to you guys. Stand it up. Okay, so this is how we're gonna do it. Whoever has that number go first. We're gonna start with 1. They get to open their egg first. Who has number 1?
Selena! Me.
Okay, you can open yours first. Let's see what you have.
The ball.
What is that?
The ball.
A ball? Show it to the camera.
Soccer ball.
Show it to the camera.
What's that?
Show your toy to the camera. What is that?
Soccer ball.
Shotgun.
And she has a trophy.
Hey. Hey. How are you doing? Hi.
Okay.
The next one, number 2. Who has number 2?
Me.
Okay, Cecilia.
Ooh, I know what it is. It's a hamburger. No.
It's a hamburger. What is that?
What? S'more.
Let me see. Wow, you guys, look at that. Oh yes, there is one with a diamond too.
Yeah, whoever gets it wins.
Yeah, whoever gets it win. Alright, who has number 3?
Me.
Julia. Go ahead, open.
Just wait. Ta-da! What is that?
What do you have?
I don't know.
You have another shocking character.
When you don't know the name, comment below when you know the name.
Yes. Okay, we have number 4. Who has number 4?
Me.
Okay, Julia has number 4.
I'm gonna open it. I don't want Julia to get it. No. I think this is Jeffy. Yeah. Open it. Open it. Open it. Oh wait, no. Sushi. Wait, Julia, second and bottom. It's mine. There we go. It's mine. It's sushi.
The sushi character. Next number. Number 5.
What? I have number 5. I have a number 5.
No, yours is 15, Selena. Yep, Cecilia has 5.
Ooh.
What do you have?
The bubble cookie. I know what's the name.
Number 6.
Selena.
Yes, Selena has it.
Oh no, let me get the diamond one screen. See that? Hey, cha 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 cha.
What is that?
Malacca.
Let's see.
Ball. Malacca.
This is Selena's toys.
It's a cha cha cha.
And these are
Cecilia's toy.
toys.
And Julia's toy.
And we have
Julia's.
Who has number 7?
Me.
Okay.
Whoa. Open it. Open it. Open it. Oh. This one's hard.
What do you have?
I don't know.
Show it to the camera.
Okay.
Okay, Selena has 3 so far.
And
Who has number 8?
Me.
Julia has number 8.
What's this? What's this number? Let's see. 3. I got a pink tree. Pink.
That's number 9.
Yay! Nope.
Cecilia has it.
That's I wonder who's gonna get the diamond.
Yep. Who's gonna get the diamond? Now we have number 10. Who has number 10?
Yeah!
Number 10, Julia.
Baby girl didn't go, she only had 3.
It's okay. Don't be sad. Almost your turn, okay?
Selena only had 3. And I have 11. 10, 11. The light is cooking. Dude, do you take out the number out?
All right. Number 11.
Yay!
All right. That's Cecilia's last one. Let's see what she has.
Nothing.
You got nothing. That's so funny. Oh.
Wait, somebody has a diamond.
Yep, somebody has the diamond. It's gonna be Selena
Or
or Julia. Okay, who has number 12?
Me.
Oh, Julia again. Almost your turn. Okay, Selena.
Okay.
Is that your last one? Yep, that's Julia's last one. Julia has the diamond!
So bad.
This is diamond.
Yeah, that's the diamond.
Alright.
Where's the diamond?
Since Julia and Cecilia are done with their surprise egg, we only have
There's Selena.
Selena left. Okay, Selena, number 13.
You can open a lot of them.
Number 13.
Me. She got a cyan.
3 characters so far. So cute. Okay, number 14.
Me.
Nothing. Oh, doo doo doo. Number 15.
Me. She had a baby. She had a baby. She had a baby.
What is that?
A baby. National Game Boy's baby.
Let me see. Show your baby. Aww, he has a cute little baby. Selena's toy.
Wait.
Julia's toy.
Julia's toy. Cecilia's toy.
Celia's toy. What do you guys think of today's surprise egg?
Good.
What is Selena? What is moo? You guys like it?
Yeah.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah. And like and share and subscribe. Like us. Remember, I have the diamond. Remember, you have the toy. Pick up my video later.
Say bye, everyone.
Bye.